President William Ruto ni abete Akenya mwiboko akiuga ri bururi utiri ugwati-ini wa gwikarirwo ni mathiri thutha wa kunyibia thiri uria ukoretwo naguo wa Eurobond woetwo mwaka wa 2014.
I can now confidently say Kenya is no longer in the list of the countries that run the risk of debt default, thanks to the collective effort that has been done by my team at the Treasury and by the whole of government approach.
Akiaria thutha wa kigomano kia minister na atongoria thirikari-ini, President ugite ikinya ria thirikari kuriba thiri uyu gicunjĩ gia ciringi birioni 722 ugukubotithia bururi kwirugamirira na kigina kiria unganagia.
The successful turnaround has pulled Kenya away from the brink of debt distress, put our finances in good working order, and established the necessary conditions to execute the bottom-up economic transformation agenda on a sound footing.
Ona gutweka thiri ucio uribitwo na thogora wa iguru gukira uria woetwo naguo undu uria ucungiriirio ni guikuruka kwa thogora ya dola na kubebinya ciringi. Ruto ugite ikinya riri rikwanja kuguciriria aigithia kuma mabururi maja.
External factors such as adverse development in the international monetary system and the disruptions in the supply chains further compounded the situation, resulting in a steady weakening of the Kenya shilling.
Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yugite kubota kweberia bururi mutondo-ini wa mathiri no imwe ya ciraniro iria yereire a Kenya. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.
Okay. Yes.